And we have some breaking inputs as well coming in at this point in time. In Arnia, community bunkers are being cleaned to protect civilians from possible cross-border firing, mortar shelling as well as gunfire. Times Now crew is getting you the details of the situation. Take a look at this ground report from inside the community bunker in Arnia sector.
Well, we are reporting from Arnia sector, which is just few meters away from India-Pakistan border, and amidst the rising tensions between India and Pakistan, the community bunkers are all activated in this particular sector. However, this Arnia sector remains to be one of the most sensitive sector because here, when the cross-border firing or shelling takes place, civilians have to suffer a lot. And now, Times Now will take you inside this particular community bunker and will show you that how these community bunkers work, function, and how now they are activated. Remember that earlier these community bunkers were not very much active, but since the time when the terror attack took place in Pahalgam, and then there were the tensions are escalated between India and Pakistan. Tension is escalated between both the countries. So that's why now these community bunkers are all activated. And in fact, the capacity of this particular community bunker is approximately 70 people. So we'll show you the visuals inside so as to how this particular community bunkers look like. And these bunkers are meant to protect civilians from cross-border threats like mortar shelling, small arms firing, heavy gunfire, and sudden attacks as well. And in the times of tension, such bunkers become life-saving shelters, shielding people from bullets, shrapnel, and blasts as well. And I'm being, in fact, also joined by, Balveer Kaur, who is the sarpanch of this particular village. Balveer ji, ये सारे जो community bunkers हैं, these all are activated now. What's the reason that these bunkers are activated?
Actually, मैम, आप सबको पता है कि जो पहलगाम में हुआ वो दिल दहलाने वाला था, और आज की डेट में हम लोग रेडी हो रहे हैं, अपने आप को प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं कि अगर हमारा हिंदुस्तान, हमारी ऑनरेबल गवर्नमेंट कोई रिटेलिएट करती है तो उनके हाथ नहीं बन जाएंगे। बॉर्डर के ऊपर हमारे लोग हैं, हमारे बॉर्डर को संभालने की जितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑनरेबल गवर्नमेंट की है उतनी हमारी भी है। तो हम बस अपना वही कर्तव्य कर रहे हैं कि आज की डेट में अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो हमारे कम्युनिटी बंकर्स हैं उनको हमने रेडी करना है। हमारी जो जितना भी सेफर जोन हम लोग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं